Same is the case with the set of integers. Equal sets. Two sets are considered equal when every element of set 1 is an element of set 2 and vice versa. As we see in the first example, A is equals to set B is given in roster form and the elements are negative 11 and 11. The question here is, are they equal sets? Well, yes, they are equal sets as a condition of A is satisfied for both the values negative 11 and 11. We see that elements of set A are equal to elements of set B. Singleton set. A set containing single element is known as singleton set. In the first example, we see that we're getting the result as 50, which is a single element. Similarly, in the second example, we're getting 2, which is again a single value. Therefore, they are singleton set, or in other words, we can say sets whose cardinal number is 1, they are known as singleton set.
Subsets. A set A is said to be a subset of set B if every element of set A is also an element of set B. Mathematically, if X is an element of A and X is also an element of B, then A is a subset of B. Here, if A is not equal to B, then A is called a proper subset of B and B will be the superset of A. Power set. The collection of all the subsets of a set A is called the power set of A. It is noted by PA, in which every element is a set. If A is a set with m number of elements, then it can be shown is a set which contains all the elements or objects of other sets U.
Intervals or subset of R. Closed interval. In roster form, it is represented with square brackets. It can take any value between A and B, including the values of A and B. On the number line, it is represented by closed circles, or we could say fill circles. Open interval. It is represented with round brackets or normal brackets. It can take any value between A and B but cannot take values of A and B. On number line, it is represented with open circle or empty circle or open knot. Semi-open or semi-closed interval. In roster form, they are written as shown in the picture, one side open bracket and the other side closed bracket, or vice versa. It can take any value between A and B and may or may not include the values of A and B. On number line, they are represented as one open knot and the other closed knot, or vice versa. Venn diagram represents relation between sets where universal set is denoted by a rectangle and its subsets are denoted by circles. In the given picture, the first diagram shows a universal set, the second diagram shows a subset of universal set, the third diagram shows subset A and B of the universal set. Also note that the third diagram represents the disjoint set A and B. In the given example here, the Venn diagram shows that there is a common element 6 in set A and set B. Some more examples of Venn diagram. A union B, A intersection B, A only, B only.
Now, we'll discuss about three operations of sets. These are union of sets, intersection, and difference of sets. The union of set A and set B is set C, which contains all the elements of set A and set B, the common elements being taken only once. A union B is equal to X is such that X is an element of A or X is an element of B. Intersection of sets. The intersection of two sets A and B is the set of all those elements which belong to both A and B. A intersection B is equal to X is such that X is an element of A and X is an element of B. Difference of sets. The difference of sets A and B in this order is the set of elements which belong to A but not to B. We read it as A minus B. A minus B is equal to X is such that X is an element of A and X is not an element of B.
Now let's write some formulas to solve practical problems on union and intersection of sets. Here, formula 1 and 2 are of A only and B only. When we put these formulas in the given above equation, we'll get the formula number 3, N of A union B. Formula number 4 is to solve practical problems on 3-set theory. That equals to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus A intersection B minus B intersection C minus A intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C.
Over beta.
Yes, sir.
Is this complete? Okay. Beta, you please send it in. I'll send you my email ID and you have to send this. This is in which platform, beta? It's in JPG, what MP4, right?
MP4.
Okay. Yes, Rishabh Singh and Gautam Kakkar.
Yes, sir.
Vani and Akansha, you have done a very good presentation given, right? It's good.
Thank you, sir.
And Gautam is not present, so you are not able to
No,
present
sir,
today.
sir, I have joined.
सर वो आ गया सर
आ गया Gautam. Gautam ji, you will present or not, beta?
I have joined just now, like 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes. So why you joined late, beta?
Sir, sorry, sir.
नहीं यार, ये गलत बात है यार. चलो, you start, beta. Who will present, Rishabh or Gautam?
सर वो
Gautam,
Yes, sir.
you will present, beta.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Yes, you are presenter now, beta.
Siddharth present.
Who? Siddharth Jain.
Jan.
When you have joined, beta?
सर 8:15.
So why you are late, beta?
सर मैंने चैट में लिख दिया था आपको ज्वाइन करते हैं.
चलो कोई नहीं, देख लूंगा मैं.
सर दमन हाउस ऑल्सो प्रेजेंट.
दमन कब आए हो बेटा? ये तो सब ऐसे लेट आओगे तो अटेंडेंस कैसे मिलेगी बताओ?
सर 8:13 ऑलमोस्ट.
8:30. Who else is there?
सर भव्या.
Bhavya Bharadwaj and Bhavya Mishra both are
सर मिश्रा.
Mishra. Okay. Done. चलिए.
Yes, sir.
Students start joining beta. Students, all of you beta start join. Only 5 joined, 6 joined, 7. 8, 9, 1. Fifteen, 16, 17,
Sir, which
18.
chapter quiz is this?
बेटा यही फर्स्ट चैप्टर सेट्स बेटा अगेन. Bhavya Bharadwaj is there. Bhavya, are you in class beta?
Yes, sir.
So why you not given the attendance beta? Bhavya, come. Your mic is not working beta. Okay, how many have joined beta? No problem. It is 6. Count is there and 21. It is 21 or 22 beta? 22. Okay. Student join karo beta fatafat. Those who are present in the class, all of you have to join.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Hmm. Still 6, 7 students left beta. Hurry up beta. Those who are not joining. Gautam, take the screenshot of this attendance beta. I'll give absent to all those who have not joined.
Sir, should I start?
Yes, yes. Now start beta. Start now. You're given 2 minute time beta, 1 minute time,
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Okay. क्वेश्चन का फॉन्ट बहुत छोटा है बेटा.
सर क्वेश्चन में छोटा सा क्योंकि इसमें वर्ड लिमिट एक्सीड हो गई थी.
अच्छा 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 ठीक ठीक.
सर ये क्वेश्चन तो गलत लग रहा था।
Which one बेटा?
अच्छा नहीं
Last
सर,
one.
समझ गया, नहीं सर ये सही था।
हम्म Lakshay is on top. Good. Your name is free. What is the reason बेटा? Seventh question. It's because of net बेटा.
Sir, mine also answers, starting questions are freezed. I mean, I can't answer the starting 3 to 4 questions.
So, what is the reason behind it? Is there any from the presenter side or is there any from the network issue? Beta?
So maybe network.
It is. Acha. So it is because of what, beta? Now it is freeze to me also, beta. At 8th question score, it is freeze to.
No, sir, I have stopped it. I have stopped right now.
अच्छा, you have stopped. Okay. चलो स्टार्ट करो, कोई बात नहीं, देखते हैं उसका प्रॉब्लम का भी क्या सोल्यूशन है. लक्ष्य is still on first. Second Siddharth, first is Lakshya. Lakshya, Siddharth and Pragya. Very good. And runners are Rohan and Akansha. Good. बेटा इसका स्कोर कार्ड होगा वो मुझे सेंड करना, ठीक है. जो टोटल स्कोर कार्ड होता है बेटा, दैट शेयर्ड. वेयर द शाश्वत तिवारी. शाश्वत, यू आर नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग बेटा टुडे.
नो सर, मैं आज मेरे क्वेश्चन कुछ गलत हुए थे.
अच्छा, आज गलत हो गया कुछ. ओके. क्योंकि
सर
लास्ट
एक बार
टाइम. हाँ बेटा बोलो.
सर एक बार वो वाला बता दो, एम्प्टी सेट इज.
बताओ भाई, कौन एक्सप्लेन करेगा एम्प्टी सेट.
Finite set.
इट इज अ फाइनाइट सेट. व्हाई बेटा.
Countable value.
Yes. Today only Akansha and Vani has given the statement that if any set beta, if we can count the element, that is finite set, right? So
Yes.
empty set, empty is indicating nothing, and nothing is denoted by in numerical form 0, and in set it is denoted by 5. So it is countable, right? We can say some figure, we can give some figure to empty set, that is 0, right? And 0 is a number. किसी के लिए कोई नंबर है तो दैट इज अ फाइनाइट सेट बेटा. ठीक है बेटा. क्लियर
Yes,
बेटा,
sir.
बोलो. राइट.
Yes.
Okay, good. It is totally compiled by two members. It is Rishabh Singh and Gautam Kakkar. Both of you have done given your input beta in this one.
Yes.
Okay. चलो अच्छा था बेटा. इसमें से 3 और 4 क्वेश्चन बेटा आपके मतलब एमसीक्यू एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से अच्छे क्वेश्चन थे. मतलब इजी थे, लेकिन वो एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से थे वो क्वेश्चन. ठीक है. चलो, you have to, Gautam, you have to give me the scorecard, because see, those who are participating and how much they are scoring, I'm making a note of that, right? Those who are not participating, it means they are not getting any score. ठीक है, वो पार्टिसिपेट ही नहीं कर रहे तो उनका कोई स्कोर भी नहीं लगेगा इंटरनल असेसमेंट में, ये भी ध्यान रखना बेटा। ठीक है, ये इस चीज को पॉइंट अपने दिमाग में रखना। वन सेकेंड। Now I'm taking anyone who's having doubt in chapter number 1, they can ask better. Otherwise, I'll take give you some important concept of revising important concept of chapter 2. Right बेटा? थोड़ा सा टाइम है हमारे पास 10 to 15 मिनट का। आकांक्षा, आपको ना ये प्रेजेंटेशन जो आपने आज दी है, this you have to send me. I'll send you the email ID. You have to send me, right? This is an MP4 na? You can share it on WhatsApp also na beta?
So it's too large to be sent on WhatsApp. I can only send it on Gmail.
So is there any, okay, Gmail, or is there any way you can send me the link or somewhere so that if I share it with the other teacher or other student? Beta?
I'll try to do so. If it could be
Okay. Okay. Any doubt beta from first exercise, first chapter beta? Any doubt? So I'm giving you brief introduction or brief revision of topic, relation and function beta. Okay? Chapter 2. Chapter 2, that is relations and functions. In this topic beta, the first in this chapter beta, first topic is Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two sets. Cartesian product of two sets. Suppose we have A, two sets denoted by A cross B. This is the representation of Cartesian product of two sets. Let A set is 1, 2. Suppose I have taken two elements, right? And B is a set X comma Y. Again, I have taken two elements. So we need to find A cross B, right? There is a way to find out this beta, A cross B. I've told you the tree diagram method beta. First, if we are finding A cross B, so first we write the element of set A. Then it should be associated with each and every element of A should be associated with the each and every element of set B. So we have, so into this is 1x, 1y, 2x and 2y. This is the Cartesian. So A cross B is, yani Cartesian product of two set is what? It is the set of ordered pair. It is the collection of all the ordered pairs from set A to set B. Right? So A cross B is basically 1x, 1y, 2x, 2y. Clear? This is the A cross B. Now, if number element in set A, अगर आप यहाँ ध्यान दोगे, in this taken, number of element in set A is 2, number of element in set B is 2, number of element in A cross B. Now, what are the element of A cross B? Each and every ordered pair is the element of A cross B. Right, beta? So, number of element in A cross B is equal to 4. So, from this, we can conclude if number of element in set A is suppose p elements, right? P elements beta, and number of element in set B is q. The number of element in A cross B is equal to beta pq, right beta? So this is again a one marker question. This is again a one marker question. They can ask you in MCQ form beta. Another way beta, if I'm giving you suppose I'm writing A cross B, this A X, A Y, A Z, B X, B Y, and B Z. This way I've given you. So what conclude beta? These ordered pairs are concluding what? What kind of result these are giving beta? So here beta, A, B, this is always belongs to first set beta, because these are the first element of a order pair. This is the first, जो first element है वो first set को belong करेगा, और जो second element है that belongs to x y z belongs to second set always. ठीक है बेटा? Now two ordered pairs, when we can say that these are equal, two ordered pairs are equal. Two ordered pairs are equal only when? What is the condition beta? Anyone? बोलो बेटा. Anyone?
Sir, element of set A is equal to an element of set B.
Correspond element beta.
Sir,
all element. When we can say ordered pairs are equal. See,
no, sir,
one ordered pair is A, B.
Sir.
Another ordered pair is X, Y. So when we can say that these two are equal beta? I'm asking.
Sir, A should equal to X and B should
equal to X and B should equal to Y. This is the condition. If you are asking when we can say that the ordered pairs are equal, so मैंने क्या लिखा होगा क्वेश्चन में अगर मुझे MCQ. So what is the condition for which we can say that order pair AB and order pair XY are equal? So आपको multiple choice option में ये देखना है कि where we have written this thing. Options आपको जंबल करके भी दे सकते हैं. A is equal to Y, B is equal to X, A equal to X, B equal to Y, A equal to X, B equal to X, A equal to Y, B equal to Y. तो ये चार ऑप्शन होगी. That from there you have to select a correct choice better, right? So when we can say that ordered pairs are equal when their corresponding elements are equal. ठीक है बेटा? Is this clear बेटा? Now next point is what is ordered triplet? Ordered triplet. Ordered triplet is what? Example देना है आपको ordered triplet. Ordered triplet. This is ordered triplet, right? Or A, B, C. ठीक है? Or we can write 1, 2, 3. These are the examples of ordered triplet. This is ordered pair. When we have two elements in a bracket, right? Then it is known as ordered pair. When we are writing 3 in a bracket, it means it is ordered triplet. अब आपके पास जो क्वेश्चन आएगा वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए क्या कह देंगे? ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट बेटा. वो इस तरीके से ऑर्डर वो दे सकते हैं. दिस एक ऑप्शन ये हो सकता है, एक ऑप्शन ऐसे हो सकता है ए बी, बी सी, सी डी, राइट. फिर एक आपका इसमें से कोई एक ऑप्शन हो गया ए बी सी, और एक कोई और हो गया नन कर दिया. चलो सो ये बेटा जेई के किसी क्वेश्चन में देखा मैंने, याद नहीं आ रहा कौन सा ईयर है, इससे रिलेटेड उन्होंने क्वेश्चन पूछा हुआ था. वो ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट विच इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ, या आउट ऑफ दीज फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस विच इज द एग्जांपल ऑफ ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट. बहुत सारे बच्चे देखो ये इन्होंने जानबूझ के कंफ्यूज करने के लिए दिया हुआ है. इसमें भी लॉजिक क्रिएट किया हुआ है, इसमें भी लॉजिक क्रिएट किया हुआ है, ठीक है। वो फोर्थ ऑप्शन भी था, वो भी लॉजिकल था, कुछ मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा, और एक ऑप्शन ये था। तो ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट, अभी आपको मैंने लॉजिक क्लियर किया कि ऑर्डर्ड पेयर इज व्हाट if you are writing two element in a bracket. Order triplet is what if you are writing three element in a bracket, right, in a bracket. तो इस चीज का ध्यान रखना, ठीक है। तो ये दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन।
एक्सक्यूज मी सर।
हाँ बेटा बोलो।
सर अगर ऐसा है कि 2 एलिमेंट्स इन अ ब्रैकेट और 3 दे रखे हो फिर ऐसे पेयर।
हाँ तो ये लिखा है ना मैंने 1 2 3, ठीक है ना।
मतलब सर ऐसे भी हो सकता है ना,
बट दिस इज नॉट, मैंने यहाँ पे ये ब्रैकेट लिखा बेटा, कर्ली ब्रैकेट। अगर आप ये ऐसे कहते हो, सपोज करो
मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ भी आ सकता है ना।
आप मुझे बोलो आप कौन सा एग्जांपल कह रहे हो, आप बोलो मुझे इस टाइप से। अगर आप स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट
जैसे आपने ऊपर लिखा हुआ था ना कि 2 ऑर्डर्ड पेयर्स आर इक्वल, तो अब आपने एक एग्जांपल दिया था ऊपर a, b और x, y।
यस 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 करेक्ट।
कह रहा हूँ अगर इसमें 3 या फिर मतलब ऐसे 4 होते तो।
बेटा जो कॉन्सेप्ट हमारी सीबीएसई में दिया है वो तो 3 तक का ही दिया हुआ है, और इक्वालिटी कॉन्सेप्ट इन्होंने डिस्कस किया है सिर्फ ऑर्डर पे। मेरे हिसाब से ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट पे भी इक्वालिटी आउट होती है बेटा, ठीक है। लेकिन इसके ऊपर जाते हैं तो वो क्या कॉन्सेप्ट और आगे देता है फर्दर, वो मुझे नहीं पता अभी, और मेरे ख्याल से ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट के बाद है भी नहीं शायद इससे रिलेटेड उन्होंने कोई चीज डिस्कस की हो, ठीक है। बनेगा हो जाएगा भाई। ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट है क्या, इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग 3 सेट्स दिस इज गिविंग ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट बेटा। इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई 4 सेट्स दिस विल गिव, अब उसका नाम क्या है ये अभी तक मैंने किसी बुक में पढ़ा नहीं बेटा, ठीक है ना। तो जो ये टर्मिनोलॉजी मैंने पढ़ी है वो 3 तक ही पढ़ी है, और आई थिंक आपके जो जेई के सिलेबस में वो भी 3 तक ही है सर। आई थिंक अप टू 3 एलिमेंट ही वहां पे है बेटा, ठीक है ना। तो जो चीजें हैं वो इसी लेवल तक है। थोड़ा सा आप अगर या तो उसको एक्सप्लोर करो, और या फिर मुझे टाइम दो कि आप अगर 4 एलिमेंट्स के लिए पूछ रहे हो तो मैं एक बार एक्सप्लोर करूं और मुझे पता चले कि इससे रिलेटेड कुछ है या नहीं है वहां, ठीक है। पर मेरे ख्याल से आप जेई का सिलेबस देखना, आई थिंक इन दैट आल्सो वी हैव ओनली अप टू ऑर्डर ट्रिपलेट बेटा, ठीक है। क्वाड्रा कुछ होगा इसका अगर नाम तो समवेयर रिलेटेड टू, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन अच्छा है लेकिन ये देखना पड़ेगा कि हमारे सिलेबस में है नहीं है, क्योंकि ये जैसे जैसे हम इसको आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा दिस इज रिलेटेड टू बाइनरी ऑपरेशन बेटा, ये एक्सटेंडेड है, बाइनरी ऑपरेशन से एक्सटेंडेड हुआ हुआ ये। तो एक पहले सीबीएसई में एक टॉपिक था बाइनरी ऑपरेशन, बाइनरी अलजेब्रा, और 4-5 एक्सरसाइज का एक चैप्टर था अराउंड 20 to 25 पेजेस का, बहुत अच्छा टॉपिक था जो आपको कंप्यूटर्स में बहुत हेल्प करता था, गेट्स वगैरह सब कुछ था उसके अंदर, उसी से ही रिलेटेड है ये कहीं पे। बट कितने लेवल तक लेके गए हैं ये जो कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट, स्पेशली नॉट रिलेशन फंक्शन, ओनली कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट की बात कर रहा हूँ बेटा, ठीक है। तो इसके थोड़ा डेप्थ में जाना तो थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लोर करना पड़ेगा बेटा, और राइट बेटा। चलो आज मैं कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ही आपसे डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ बेटा, and rest of the part
elements in a Cartesian product of 3 sets can be found by any formula.
Yes वही n p, if set A has n element, B set at p and C has q element, then number of element in A cross B cross C is the product of these two, these three मतलब, ठीक है बेटा। the number of element in A cross B cross C is equal to n into p into q, this is the formula, right beta? Okay, now rest thing we'll do in the next class. Please join on 11, आपका 10th को है ना बेटा मैथ्स का पेपर, 10th of August I think.
Yes.
PT1, right?
Yes.
So we have a class on 9th. So आपको 9th class, 9th जो अगस्त की क्लास है बेटा, in this class बेटा you can ask your doubt and I'll take the revision of rest of the part of this chapter बेटा, relation and function, right? So in beginning I'll take first this topic बेटा and then you can ask your doubts बेटा, right? I've discussed in the last revision class बेटा what kind of case study question give you from the set topic sets. So I've given you those word problem. उस word problem में बेटे आप कितने भी question frame कर सकते हो. So we need to ask 4 or 5 parts by giving you a condition. So condition is like I've given the example miscellaneous question 15, whatever related to Venn diagram question I can ask in the case study question बेटे. ठीक है, solve करने का ये बस you need to correct, you need to write the correct option, right? So next class में हम इसकी doubts भी करते हैं और के वो भी clear करते हैं. ठीक है, 1 second बेटा, 1 second, don't leave. You can leave it.
Thank you.
Okay.